You might don't like other people or animals coming to your property, or you just want some privacy while relaxing in your backyard. No matter the reason, having beautiful plants instead of a traditional fence has many benefits. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 plants you can grow instead of a fence for privacy. Before that, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Okay, here are 10 plants you can grow instead of a fence for privacy. Number 1. Evergreen Spindle. Choosing plants for fence lines can make fences more than just functional. For example, planting against the fence will add a sense of visual cohesion to outdoor areas, and adding plants to your yard will help it feel like an extension of your home. The plants need extra care and attention because they are in the shadows of vertical structures such as fences or buildings. Plants also require annual doses of manure so that they don't become too dry throughout the season. Number 2. Arborvitae. Arborvitaes are attractive evergreen trees that make an excellent privacy hedge, border or screen. Emerald green, arborvitaes have a narrow pyramidal habit and are a good choice for fence coverage. They reach 15 feet high at maturity and have a 4-foot spread. Number 3. Bamboo. Growing a bamboo fence is the most general use of bamboo. Bamboo fences grow straight and are grass. You can harvest it after 3 years and made it wood. This plant grows more speedily than many others. Number 4. Privet. The Californian privet is a fast-growing flowering shrub that grows into a beautiful living fence. The broad-leaved shrub grows between 10 and 15 feet tall and up to 15 feet wide. The dense foliage consists of dark green, shiny ovate leaves. In summer, fragrant white flowers appear on the hedge. Number 5. Red-tip Photinia. Red-tip Photinias were chosen as a shrub to be planted against the fence, and would serve as a green backdrop for the majority of the year. Of course, each spring, we had that blaze of red color for about a month of the year for some additional color in the garden landscape. Number 6. Boxwood. The evergreen foliage consists of small shiny oval leaves and densely growing branches. You can plant boxwood living fences for small border hedgerows or large privacy screens. The common name of Bugs's plants comes from the fact that they are easy to prune and shape. Number 7. Juniper. Good growth rate and excellent dark green foliage all year round makes a great screen or border planting. No thorns or spines like many holly varieties. Upright juniper with pyramidal shape and blue or green color year-round. One of the best juniper choices for privacy screens, windbreaks, and borders. Number 8. Hicks yew. Hicks yew is a sturdy evergreen shrub which makes an excellent hedge or privacy screen. Yew hedges have always been popular, but Hicks yew shrub variety has a tall, narrow habit that makes it ideal for hedging. Hicks yew hedges respond very well to heavy pruning, becoming a more dense and handsome hedge over time. Number 9. Leyland Cypress. Leyland Cypress should be spaced 6 to 10 feet apart for quick privacy. For straight-line traditional privacy, we suggest planting your trees about 8 to 10 feet apart. Go closer to 8 feet for a wind or sound break. For a more natural look and quicker privacy, you can stagger your trees, spacing them approximately 6 to 8 feet apart on a diagonal, planting in 2 rows. Number 10. Roses. Climbing roses such as the fairy are a great choice for someone who wants to cover their fence line. These types of plants can climb and attach to fences, making them the perfect match for this application. That's it. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like this video, click that red subscribe button down below, and make sure you guys have any notifications turned on, so you never miss those upcoming videos. And see you next time.